to this beautiful world where creativity shines brighter than money, where the simplest material turn into magic. Today I will take you on a heartwarming journey, a journey of the story of lost star, a forgotten village, and one young boy who brought Xmas back to life with cheap handmade decoration. This is the lost star of Xmas village. Long ago, in a small snowy valley, there was a village that once celebrated Xmas with joy, music, and glowing trees. At the center of the village stood a giant Xmas tree, and on its top rested a magical star that shined brighter than the room. But one year, a strong storm blew over the village. A magical star fell and disappeared. From that day, the village grew quiet. People stopped decorating, shops did not hang their wreaths, children did not dance around the tree anymore. The village had lost its Xmas spirit. But there was one child who refused to let the magic die, a curious boy named Leo. Leo loved crafting. He believed that even small things could bring big changes. One cold evening, Leo looked at the empty village square and whispered, "Maybe the star is gone, but I can still bring the light back." With that, he picked up his backpack and set out to search for simple items to build something special. Leo did not have money, but he had creativity. He collected twig for the ground, jute threads his mother refused for sewing broken pinecones, old cardboard, used glitter from last year's school project, a few bottle caps. He took them home and began building a Xmas draft tree. Here's how he made it. He tied twigs in a triangle shape, wrapped them with jute, made cardboard stars, painted bottle caps to look like ornaments, used pine cone to create tiny hanging bells, added a touch of glitter for glow. This was not just cheap decoration, it was a gift of hope made with his own hands. The next morning, Leo walked into the old snowy forest near the village, carrying his handmade Xmas tree. There, he found an abandoned cottage, quite forgotten. Inside was dust everywhere, broken shelves, old wooden boxes, but in one corner something sparkled. Leo leaned forward and brushed the snow away. It was a tiny silver star, cracked, faded, but still shining weakly. His heart raced. Is this the lost star of the village? He did not know, but he knew one thing: the star still had light, even if small. That evening, Leo returned to the village square. He placed his handmade Xmas tree at the center, and at the top he gently set the silver star he had found. The villagers gathered around, confused. "What is this?" one man asked. "Just something I made," Leo whispered. Suddenly the star flickered. A tiny glow appeared, then another, and then the entire tree began to shine softly. The villagers stared in amazement. For the first time in years, the square was filled with light. Children ran forward and touched the jeweled ornaments. Mother admired the twig stars. Father smiled at how something so simple, so cheap, could be so beautiful. And then the village elder stepped forward. He looked at the glowing star and said, "Magic never disappears. It's only wait for someone brave enough to believe in it again." That night, people brought out their old twigs, cardboard, pine cones, and ribbons. They began crafting together, laughing, sharing stories, singing songs. The lost star had returned not because Leo found it, but because he brought hope back. And so the once forgotten village lit up brighter than ever, all because a small boy used cheap X-Mix decoration, twigs, jute, cardboard, and a brave heart. You don't need expensive things to create beauty, you only need imagination, the courage to begin. So this X-Mix, create your own magic, build your own tree, create your own decoration, let your heart be the brightest star at all. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Have a very nice and very good day. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. God bless you all. Take care. Stay blessed. I wish your home fulfilled with love, creativity, magic, togetherness, and whatever you want to have in your life, you all have in your life. God bless you all. May God give you all things, best things in your life. Come to this beautiful world where creativity shines brighter than money.